Welcome to our comprehensive review of the 5 top lift tables for your workspace. But before we reveal our top choices, let's uncover the factors that make a lift table rise above the rest. Heading our list is load capacity. As the foundation of any lift table's functionality, it's crucial to choose a table that can handle the maximum weight of your loads with ease. Ensuring your lift table has adequate capacity prevents overloading and equipment damage. Next, consider the platform size and shape. Your lift table should fit in your workspace and accommodate the diverse shapes and sizes of the items you're lifting. A well-fitting table size ensures stability and efficient space usage. The lift table's height elevation range is a crucial factor. Whether you're stacking high or just giving your items a slight lift, ensuring the platform can reach both its minimum and maximum heights with stability results in a seamless workflow. Durability and material can't be overlooked. A lift table built to last, with high-quality materials like steel, ensures longevity and resilience against daily wear and tear in the toughest industrial environments. Another essential factor is safety features. A lift table that is equipped with features like emergency stops, wheel brakes, and tilt warnings protect your team and your goods, making this a must to consider in your selection process. Finally, mobility and flexibility. Having a lift table that's easy to move and adjust can significantly enhance workflow efficiency. A mobile lift table provides versatility when there's a need to transport goods within the workplace. The knowledge of these factors will empower you in selecting the best lift table from our list that meets your needs. First up, the Global Industrial Battery-Powered Lift Table. With a sturdy steel construction and a load capacity of 1,100 pounds, this table is both durable and versatile. Its ergonomic handle and smooth casters ensure easy maneuverability, while the battery-powered operation allows for up to 80 elevations per charge. Ideal for reducing workplace injuries, its push-button operation simplifies the lifting process. Next, the Uline tilting mobile lift table stands out for its tilting capabilities, offering immediate access to parts and heavy bins. With a foot pump to raise the platform and a fingertip lever to lower it, this table combines functionality with ease of use. The retaining lip ensures that bins stay in place, making it perfect for specific applications requiring angled access. The Vestil portable scissor lift table is designed for heavy-duty lifting and can transport and elevate loads up to 3,000 pounds. It features robust glass-filled nylon casters for easy transportation, and patented electric pinch point guards for safety. This lift table is also equipped with a key-operated control that enhances its security. Its onboard battery and charger ensure it's always ready for action. We also have the WESCO medium-duty lift table in this list. A solid choice for those requiring mobility and efficiency in lifting tasks up to 2,000 pounds. This table stands out with its solid steel construction and phenolic resin wheels. The floor locks and hydraulic jack ensure stability and ease of lifting. The ergonomic push handle and smooth lifting action of its 4 support posts make operation a breeze. Rounding up our list is the Southworth heavy-duty hydraulic lift table that can handle up to 20,000 pounds, making it a powerhouse in any industrial setting. Its robust hydraulic system and wide base ensure stability and safety. Perfect for heavy industrial loads, this table is designed to improve cargo handling. That wraps up our selection of the best lift tables. So, whether you're enhancing safety, efficiency, or both, remember the right lift table can transform the way you deal with heavy loads at work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights to keep your workspace at the cutting edge of efficiency and safety.